Here we go. 15, 14. Here it goes. Here it goes.
Here it goes.
Woohoo!
Falcon 9 liftoff.
Here comes the sound, boys.
It's coming. Be ready. Does not hurt you.
Yeah! Listen to that roar!
It's a little over a minute after the launch. It'll break the sound barrier and also go through a thing called max Q, where the maximum dynamic pressure is surrounding the rocket.
There it is.
2.5 minutes after launch, the whole big model part disconnects.
Max Q.
The 9 engines will shut down. That's when the model part starts heading towards the water in the ocean. Upper stage
Max Q.
keeps going. Remember, that launch happened 3.5 miles away, 5.5 kilometers.
All 9 engines look good, trajectory looks good. Coming up, we are going to have 4 events in rapid succession. It's going to be main engine cutoff, or MECO, followed by stage separation, then second engine start 1, that's the engine on our second stage, followed by the start of the bootstrap burn of our first stage.
2.5 minutes after the launch, we're getting close to that point now. That core stage will disconnect.
Hold on, wait.
You may not see it.
Looking at a view of our first stage, looking aft.
It's moving.
The inside
she's
two
staged.
stages has a white for stage separation.
There it is. I don't know if I can see it with the camera. There's there it's a staging. Right there, yep. She's separated.
Core stage.
In
separation.
stage, going to space.
Core
Outstanding.
stage still has a little bit of fuel in it, and it will start bootstrapping, is what we call it, where it has the